Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 17 to the power of 5 minus 17. We write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. But here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. This means that we need to show all of the working on this paper. So we move towards the solution of this problem, and first we focus on this exponent and we break this exponent as this is 5. We write it as 4 plus 1 minus this is over 17. And further in the next step we use this nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m plus n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So according to this rule of exponents, we break this exponent as 17 to the power of 4 multiplied by 17 minus this is over 17. And now further in the next step, you see here both of these two terms involve 17. So when we take common 17, we get the remaining values are 17 to the power of 4 minus 1. Further in the next step we rewrite this expression as this is 17 times 17 to the power of 4, and we write 17 to the power of 4 as 17 square and its whole square minus we write this one as 1 square. Okay, so further in the next step we need to use here the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have x square minus y square is equals to x minus y times of x plus y. So according to this formula, we write over above expression as in this form. So first you have 17 times of this term, and when we apply this formula here it will becomes 17 minus 1 into 17 square plus 1. Okay, so further in the next step here we need to find the value of 17 square. So here first we will take 17 square is equals to the meaning of 17 square becomes 17 times of 17. Okay, and now here in order to multiply these terms, because calculator is not allowed, so that's why we need to do all of these steps. So we write this 17 as 10 plus 7, and when we multiply this 17 on both of these two values, it will be written as 17 times of 10 becomes 170, 17 times of this 7 becomes 7 sevens are 49, we write 9 and carry 4, 7 ones are 7, and 7 plus 4 becomes 11. So we need to sum up both of these two values and we get 17 square. So this is 0 plus 9 becomes 9. 7 plus 1 is 8, 1 plus 1 is 2. This means that 17 square equals to 289. So now we replace 17 square on both of these two places. After replacing this value to the above expression, it will be written as 17 times of 17 square minus 1. It is 281 minus 1 into 289 plus 1. So here when we subtract these two values, it will becomes 288 is multiplied by this will becomes 290. So in order to multiply these two bigger numbers, we need to break this value as in this form. This is 17 times 288 is multiplied by this 290. We break this term as 200 plus 90. Okay, further in the next step, first we need to multiply these values and its resulting answer is multiplied by the 17. So now we first break 288 separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as 288 is multiplied by 200 plus 288 is multiplied by 90. So in the next step we have this is 17 times of, here we consider this is one digit number and this is our 3-digit number. So we multiply 0 times this number becomes 0, this 0 times this number is also becomes 0, 2 times this number equals to 2 8 is 16, we write 6 and carry 1, again 2 8 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17, we write 7 and carry 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 becomes 5. And plus in the same pattern we multiply these two numbers. This is one digit number, this is 2-digit number, so 0 times this number becomes 0, and 9 times this number equals to 9 8s are 72, we write 2 and carry 7, 9 8s are 72, 72 plus 7 becomes 79, we write 9 and carry 7, 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 7 becomes 25. So in the next step, we need to sum up both of these two values, and its resulting answer is multiplied by 17. So we have 0 plus 0 becomes 0. 0 plus 2 becomes 2. 6 plus 9 becomes 15. We write 5 and carry 1. So this is 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 5 becomes 13. We write 3 and carry 1. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 becomes 8. So here we need to multiply this term with 17, and we write this 17 as 10 plus 7. So in the next step, we have we multiply this term separately on both of these two values, and when we multiply this term with 10, it will be written as 83520, and we just add this 10 here, and plus we multiply this term with 7, and we get 7 zeros are 0. 7 2s are 14. We write 4 and carry 1. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 1 becomes 36. We write 6 and carry 3. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 3 becomes 24. We write 4 and carry 2. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 2 becomes 58. So in the final step, we need to sum up both of these two values, and we get our final answer. So we have 0 plus 0 becomes 0. 0 plus 4 becomes 4. 2 plus 6 becomes 8. 5 plus 4 becomes 9. 3 plus 8 becomes 11. We write 1 and carry 1. 8 plus 5 becomes 13. 13 plus 1 becomes 14. So this is our final simplified form of the given question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.